Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to download and install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 10 or 11. Firstly, launch the Anaconda navigator from your applications or start menu. Locate the Install Jupyter Notebook option on the interface, then use the search bar in the Anaconda navigator to find Jupyter Notebook. Click the Install button next to Jupyter Notebook to install or start the installation. Once it is begin, it will automatically download and install all necessary packages. Wait for the process to complete and then click Finish when prompt. After installation, you will see a Launch button next to the Jupyter Notebook in Anaconda Navigator. Click Launch to open the Jupyter Notebook in your default browser and then you're ready to use Jupyter Notebook on your Windows. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.